everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to take books from Project Gutenberg, which offers free books that are in the public domain, to Haiku, so your kids can access the books on their iPads. So you can search Project Gutenberg, or you can go to gutenberg.org, and then you can either search the catalog, you can go to book categories, or you can search your subject, author, title, whatever you want to search. I'm going to go with short stories. And then I'm going to go with the works of Edgar Allan Poe. Once you're on the books page, you can choose which format you want. I want EPUB so that it can be opened in iBooks. I'm just going to right click on the EPUB and save the link as. So I'm going to be in my documents library. You want to make sure that you're saving it somewhere where you can find it. I'm going to click on eBooks file, and then I'm going to change the file name to something that I'll remember. Since I already have that saved in there, I'm going to save it as number 2. So I'll save that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to Haiku. So on my Haiku page, this is the library research help page, I'm going to add a content block. And this you can add to your classes page or your home page, wherever you want it to be. I'm going to add files. And I'm going to label it eBooks. So this is somewhere that your students can know to come right here to download that book. I'm going to upload the file from my computer. So I'll choose files, and I'll choose, doesn't really matter since it's the same file, so I'll choose that one. And then you upload it. Once you've uploaded that, you can add a short description, maybe when they should be reading it or when the assignment is due, any of that. And I'm not going to write anything, and I'm just going to click finish. So it's created my content block for eBooks, and you can see it's a clickable link. What I'm going to show you now is what the kids are going to see on their iPads. So I'll go to Air Server, and here's my iPad. I've already pulled it up on Safari, so I'm going to refresh the page so that my content block shows up. And as you can see, it's right there. I'm just going to click on the title. And right here it says The Works of Edgar Allan Poe. That's the book title. It tells me how big the file size is. And then I'm going to click Open In and then go to iBooks. As you can see, it's popped up and it's opened itself for me. I'm going to go back to Library, and that's what it looks like, just a book on your shelf. The nice thing about iBooks is that you can highlight, you can find the definition of a word. You can write a note, so a student could come in, they could even share the passage however they wanted. So it's a really cool thing. If they wanted to find a specific thing, then they could go in and send you a note about it through email. I'm going to go to the table of contents. You can see that there's a lot of different books in there. And we can view it. And there you go. It's a pretty cool thing, Project Gutenberg is. So if you find a book on there that your students must read, this is the way that you quickly can get them to access those books. If you have any questions, please come down to the library or email me, and have a great time downloading.